of all big T machines reduces operator fatigue and so enables continuity of production. On this soft fill machine we see pastry being accurately divided into the foils. No pastry will be deposited if there's no foil there. From here the pastry passes under the blocking, filling and spraying units. The lid is then placed into position by a second operator. The filler and spray units can be seen in operation behind the Perspex safety guard. The pie then travels under the lidding head, again behind safety guards, where it's sealed, crimped and cut to size. Automatic ejection of the pie allows for ease of removal by the third operator. For production of traditional pork pies, pre-divided and rested pastry is essential. Rested billets of pastry are best produced by using the Bruton freestanding divider unit, in this instance producing for the 1 pound raised pie. These rested billets of pastry are now loaded with the hoops onto a big T family machine. The hoops are only roughly located at this stage, for the accurate location takes place under the specially designed blocking die, which gives an even wall thickness of pastry, every time. We saw on the soft fill machine pre-cut lids being placed into position by the second operator, and the same procedure applies on these 1 pound raised pork pies. However, prior to this, the pork meat is deposited into the hoop and a fine mist of water is sprayed on to assist in sealing. If we take a really close look at the meat being divided into the hoops, the fine mist can be just seen spraying around the top edge of the pie. After the lid has been placed into position, the pie passes under the lidding head where it's sealed, crimped and cut to size, as per the soft fill machine. The principle of a rotary indexing table and 3 operators, 1 loading, 1 lidding and 1 taking off, enables a very high production rate, and yet the open aspect of the working area reduces operator fatigue. Again, removal of the pie is a simple operation. This dough is for a 4-ounce pie, and the operator loads the billets into tins on a tray. To match the required level of throughput, a twin billet depositor is employed. In order to produce twin billets of pastry, all that was necessary was a simple front plate change, an example of the many instances of extreme flexibility of Bruton equipment. After resting, the dough billets in their tins are loaded onto a twin-headed pie machine and the cycle starts off again. Even with the much higher output of the twin pie machine, only 3 operators are required. Production rates vary according to the size of the pie. Up to 3,600 pies an hour can be produced on the Big T pie machine. We've shown you a compact machine with hygienic stainless steel working surfaces, highly productive, versatile and pleasing to operate. We've put these facts before you, and it's now for you to make the decisions.